Ford, the greatest mayor this country's ever seen. He's world-renowned, and it's going to be an exciting story. And I can tell each and every one of you, every media outlet here, nothing. It's as I say, it's no holds barred with the media. You're going to be named in here. There's no politician safe in this country. When this comes out, from the Prime Minister to the Premier to the Mayor, it's going to rock the media world. It's going to rock the political world. We're going to be releasing this right across the country on November 22nd. It's going to have stories that no one here has ever heard, no one in the country has ever heard. And I'm going to look forward to having an opportunity to travel around the country, tell our story, meet the people, and after we do that, stay tuned for the next announcement. It's going to be very, very exciting. The people, Ford Nation, and even people not part of Ford Nation have spoken out. This is in Rob's words, my words, his wife Renata's words, my mother, Michael. Some of the trials and tribulations. We weren't holding back when Rob had problems about his addiction. That's in the story. But it's going to be our story. It's not going to be the 4 or 5 other people that have written books, the untrue stories, as I call them. It's going to be factual, and it's going to be the most exciting book that this country's ever seen when it comes to politics. And again, I always point out, I told the media, a lot of my media, and you know, there's a lot of great media people. I've really taken a liking to them, especially since I'm out of politics. But there's no one that's going to be untouched in this book here when it gets released. And we're really, really excited. As I say, it's going to be the true story of the People's Mayor. It's 2 brothers, 1 vision, and boy, it's going to be an eye-opener.